this individual football. Working the ring from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, Angel. And her opponent from Korea, Lilith.
Here we go. And this one's destined to be a human demolition derby. If you missed last month's WrestleMania, it was a classic. Do yourself a favor. And apparently she just wanted a closer look. And she escapes the hold. Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries. 2, 3, 4. What diabolical things are going through that mind right now? When you get in control like this, you want to throw everything at your opponent. That could be what we're seeing here. Watch it. Oh, the elbow connects. Lilith. Oh, ow! If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars. Lilith with the arm. Oh, what a shot! Oh, did she take a shot there? Striking with the axe handle. Oh, look at this. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. A swift kick. Watch out here. Oh, what a shot. Lilith has the headlock. Ooh. Oh, clothesline. Look at this. A sharp elbow drop. Right on the bridge of the nose. The kick connects. She tosses her opponent over the top rope. Woo, a little showboating going on here. Oh, mama! Oh, Lilith hits the floor. Angel connects. Uh-oh, she looks fired up. WrestleMania was, of course, last month, but so is Angel. What a maneuver! What do you think Lilith is going to do here, Kate? Uh-oh, she looks fired up. Oh, I'm not sure that one store. Angel connects. Smart, sexy. This could do it. 1, 2, 3. Angel wins.
here is your winner, Asia.
An emotional victory here tonight.
Man, oh man, what a match!